work out the integral between 0 and pi of sine of 3x dx. So we begin by making a substitution for 3x. We say let u equal 3x, and then we differentiate both sides of the equation to give us du by dx equals 3. And then we rearrange that equation over the next couple of lines and end up with dx equals du over 3. So this allows us over the next couple of steps to replace the 3x with u and replace the dx with du over 3. Okay, so sine 3x becomes sine u and the dx becomes du over 3. But this is a definite integral, so we have limits here, 0 and pi. And these two numbers represent x values. So it's important when you start to change the variable to u to make it really clear what the limit represents. So x equals 0 and x equals pi are the original limits. But then on the next line down, I've changed the variable u. So what I have to do is I have to say, well, if x equals pi, and I already know that u equals 3x because we defined that earlier, then u must equal 3 pi. If x equals 0, u equals 3x, because then u will simply equal 0. So what I've done now is I've changed my limits from x equals 0 to u equals 0, and from x equals pi to u equals 3 pi. And now we can just integrate as normal. So sine u integrates to negative cos u, but we've got the divide by 3 here as well, so we must remember to include that. We put the limits in, the new limits of 3 pi and 0, which we worked out a moment ago. And then we simply pop the values in as normal. And if you work that lot out, you end up with an answer of 2/3.